All right, let's look at how to use this dot. So the use of this dot is almost completely optional, but it is as necessary to know how to use it. Um, and like I said, there are times where it's optional. There are times when it's not optional. That's why I said it's almost completely optional. Now, when you're inside a non-static method, this dot refers to the object who called the method. This means that this dot can be used to identify who owns an instance variable, a field, or a method. Now, it's not always clear who does. That's why this dot can be used and how it can be helpful. So we have this class, how to use this. It's got a field, private int x. It's got a constructor receives one parameter, sets x to that parameter. Now I created a method here called doStuff. Now public void doStuff, no parameters. Instead of saying x, I can say this dot x to make it clear who owns it. And the person who owns this x value is the object who called this method. So here, look, I printed out this is the object's x value, this dot x. Now let's look at another method. Public void doStuff now receives a parameter x. So how do I know which x I'm working with? Am I working with this parameter x, or am I working with this field x? And that's where the this dot is necessary. So we've got a variable x and a field x. If I say x, it's going to use the variable. It's going to use this parameter. So to get the field, we have to use this dot x. So I'll print out x, and then I'll print out the field x using this dot x. Now inside of our main, I create a object, how to use this. It's called h. I send it parameter value of 10. And I call h dot do stuff. So that's calling this method. So this dot x here is referring to h's x value. H dot do stuff 20, 20 sent here. So this is 20. But this prints off its field, this dot x. This dot x refers to h's